Hi guys, I'm creating a cut and paste or scissor skills book for Amazon KDP, and I found that this software, Puzzle Publishers, is the best one for it, and I'll show you how easy it is. Yeah, so I'm just over in the come over here, Pro Software, yeah, and you can see it's got all these different like different features you can use, yeah. So you can like search it, find it, Simple Maze Crazy, Mandala Crazy Pro, dot to dots, yeah, but we're going to use this one here. It's called Simply Cut Out Crazy Pro, yeah. Just access it here, right? And when it loads, all you do, upload an image, and here's one of my images, right? These are mermaids. Look, it automatically gives you that. If you don't want it like that, you can, but it says padding here, go it down a bit, do refresh, it goes smaller, right? But if you don't want it like a thick line like that, come here where it says cut out line, you can turn it into a dot, yeah? Then refresh, look, you got your dots. If you don't want it a dot, you want it a dash, refresh, there. Like I said, you can do it as much as you want, yeah? Or if you don't want no fill, you can have it as white. Watch this. There you go. So let's bring it back a bit more. Yeah. Or you can have it a different colour, just for make it easy for the kids. I'm going to keep it as white, but I don't want those dashes. I think I'm going to have so look, you can move these as well. So if you want it closer, it's a bit smaller, isn't it? I think we'll have the dash actually. Let's try the dash. It's like that. Yeah, no, that's a bit bad that. So we'll go a bit small like that. Line colour, yeah, you can change colour. That's how easy it is, guys. Solid line, let's try that. No, people always see it as like a dash, don't they, or a dot. I'm going to keep it as a dash, but yeah, keep it like that. And then then all you do is download it, guys. Or if you don't want to see the image, you can get rid of it. Look, and then you've got that, so you can put that in your book, and then they can cut it out and paste it in the book wherever you put that, right? But I want to keep the image because that's what I want to download, yeah. What else can we do? So you don't have to have a line if you don't want. Yeah, there you go. But I'm gonna have a line, make it easy for the kiddies. Yeah, and then I'm going to download that. Yes, you can download a PNG or a PDF. I'm going to download it in the PNG because I want to use that. Yeah, then all I'm going to do then is delete that, guys. I'm going to load another image. Yep, and there you go. It automatically keeps to know what we've got here, all the settings there. So all I have to do then is download it again. Yeah, and delete that. I'll just do this. See, and that is how easy it is, guys. If you want to rotate it, you can rotate if you want. Well, I don't want to do that. I mean, you could rotate it and then refresh it, so you could do that. Refresh it. There you go. I'll put it back though. Yeah, because I want it like that. So now let's download that. Yeah. What you could do, if you want to download both, you could do that. You do that, so you got rid of it, and download that again. So you got both then, guys. Yeah. And that's all you do, guys. That is how easy it is. And like I said, it's called Puzzle Publishers. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. Like I said, it's got all them other different ones as well, like your mandala and your maze. You've got word search in that, guys, so you can make an activity book out of all them. Use like every single one, like all 12 of them. I think there's 12. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, goodbye.